In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brochure on Canva. Whether you're making something for school, a small business, or an event, Canva makes the process simple, even if you're not a designer. I'll walk you through the basics, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, log in as you normally would. If not, you can create a free account in just a couple of minutes using your email. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Canva homepage. From here, look for the Create button, usually located near the top of the screen. This is where you start any new design in Canva. Go ahead and click on Create. When you do, a search bar or a list of suggested design types will appear. In the search bar, type in the word brochure. This tells Canva exactly what kind of layout you're looking for. After you type brochure, you'll see several options appear, such as different brochure formats and styles. Take a moment to look through what's available so you can get a feel for the variety of designs. Next, select the brochure option that best matches what you need. For example, you might see options for a trifold brochure or a bifold brochure. Click on the one that suits your project. Canva will then open a new design page with a blank brochure layout or a starting design. Once your brochure canvas is open, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different tools. Click on Templates. This is where Canva really helps you save time and get a professional look. After you click Templates, Canva will show you a large collection of ready-made brochure designs. You can scroll through them and preview how each one looks. If you already have a color scheme or style in mind, use the search bar or filters to narrow down the options. When you see a template you like, click on it and it will automatically apply to your brochure canvas. From here, you can start customizing the text, colors, and images to match your content and branding. Remember, you can always change templates later if you want to try a different look, so don't be afraid to experiment until it feels right for you.